Yo, what's good? It's your boy here, homie hit VTech. Hitting you guys with an S2000 video. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of these taillights. These are eBay, Amazon specials, $185 AP2 taillights. This is a 04 to 09 S2000, and these are full LED. These are made by a company called Spyder. Yeah, I don't know if they're made by Spyder. These should say made in fucking Taiwanese. And this company right here is getting rich off of it. So, but yeah, so these are Spyder taillights. I'm gonna do an unboxing real quick. Let's do this. Not gonna waste no fucking time. Ooh, cut that shit. Cut it, cut it, cut it. I hope you enjoyed the schematics of the fucking box. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna do the first cut right here. Boom. And just so you guys know, I build LED taillights for S2000s. Well, I'm starting with S2000s because it's the car that I have. Car that I can test shit on, but these are actually not for me. These are for my buddy Stevie from Florida. He has a red S2000, and he's actually the first person I'm going to be building taillights for. So let's get into this and see what's Gucci with these Spyder taillights. First off, packaging. If you can see, there's like these pieces of cardboard that flip up and down. Let's go ahead and take one out. Boy. Yo, my bad if I keep looking up because I'm filming myself and I'm using my TV as like a viewfinder thing, a screen. But it comes in this bubble wrap. Pretty good packaging so far, at least. And yeah, here is the fucking taillight. This is the, well, it would be your passenger, but this is my driver's side. Comes with new gaskets. These are fucking nice. These are like crazy clear. For 185 bones, yo, these are nice. Obviously, I can't put them on a car because I got an AP1, but assuming they fit good, yo, the box is Gucci too. It's got these like support brackets for the tail light to fit in there good, but take the other one out. These are brand new, aftermarket. Like out the box, in my opinion, go out on a limb and give it a 10 because they just look crispy. Yo, Spyder taillights, 185 bones. I actually didn't buy these off of eBay or Amazon. I got these through K-Series Pros, and they hooked it up. Let's look at the back. Let me show you guys what's going on. So these pigtails hanging, these connectors are supposed to be like the end of a light bulb. It's LED, so it only goes one way. So if you first put it in and it doesn't work, you'll flip it. It only has pigtails for the signal and the reverse. And then when you go to the brake light and the driving light, there's an actual connector, like a female plug, like a Honda plug. You just plug it. You just put your plug in there, and that's it. But yo, these taillights, they're all over the internet. They're all over Amazon and eBay. They might not be listed as Spyders, but like nowhere's on the lens does it say Spyder, so I'm pretty sure you can find them from other people. Everybody probably sells these fucking lights, to be honest. Again, these are 2004, 2009 S2000 full LED taillights. Amazon, eBay, you can buy them. I think Jeg sells them too. But yeah, that's it. Peace.